Professor Pravin and his team at IIT Madras have built the first of its kind AI for restoring damaged, blurry and noisy images that comes with a mathematical guarantee. What's the guarantee? That any small change in the input will not cause a huge or unpredictable change in the final restored image. Now, if you're just using AI for fun, say to sharpen a holiday photo or clean up an old family picture, then obviously a small mistake may not matter much. But the thing is, today AI denoisers and such tools, right, are increasingly being used on things like medical scans, security footage, even defense images, and in such high-stake use cases, any small unexpected change in the restored image can drastically affect, let's say, what a doctor or investigator or an analyst they believe they are seeing. And so in such situations, the AI needs to behave a lot more predictably for it to be useful every single time. A guarantee is needed.
You can always construct different kind of architectures and train with some kind of guarantees where you now possibly can assure that if there is a small change in input, the output will also change only that much. Okay, previously all these networks don't have that, models don't have those guarantees.
But to achieve this breakthrough work, this IIT Madras team, they had to go back 50 years to classical maths to make use of a traditional optimization algorithm called forward-backward splitting. First, the model takes a forward step. It pulls the current image towards the original raw evidence to ensure that the reconstruction remains faithful as much as possible to the original input. But then it takes a backward step, where now this model acts like a regularizer, selectively filters out the noise while trying to preserve all the useful details. Then they put a strict mathematical limit on how much each layer was allowed to change the image. You can think of it like heavy duty shock absorber put on an off-road car that basically, guarantees that a small bump on the road cannot turn into a very big unpredictable sway for the vehicle. But doing this was really, really hard because, when you try to force these standard deep learning layers into these tight mathematical constraints like Lipschitz constant, then these layers can quickly lose a lot of their accuracy and thus become a lot less useful. And to solve for this, the team had to literally design their own custom trainable layers. But finally, it's solved and the team is now preparing for deployment.
So trying to bring these models, same quality, but in possibly Raspberry Pi with some accelerators or some low-end GPUs, so that you can possibly emulate these things in CCTV cameras or even the MRI machines, etc.
Professor Pravin and his team, they have already started work on further scaling up this approach to be used in commonly available generative diffusion models. And that means soon, every time you are denoising or removing a blur from a photograph using AI, it's possible that the technology that powers it was developed right here in India in IIT Madras.